Vegetable creamy pasta on the go today. Use any vegetables that you want. I'm using rigatoni pasta. This is delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's have a look at some basics, or the backbone of what we're using here. I've got 3 cups of fresh tomatoes cut nice and small, 2 cups of cream. I'm using a thick cooking cream, but you can use thick or thin, it will work out just the same. 1 cup of onion, a tablespoon of garlic, and what I'm using today is a teaspoon each of salt, pepper, chili powder, and oregano. Now the vegetables that you use is entirely up to you. Let me show you them next. So I'm using 5 types of vegetable, and they're roughly about 1 cup each. I've got some corn, green peas, bell peppers, zucchini, and mushrooms, all cut roughly about the same size. So before we get started, get your pasta ready. I'm not going to be talking about pasta. I'm going to be using some rigatoni that's already cooked. I'm going to be adding that in a bit later, but yeah, get it ready for when we are ready. Okay, in there I've got some oil, about 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a sunflower oil, and I'm going to add in that 1 cup of onion. I'm going to add in the 1 tablespoon of garlic. Above medium heat, I've just put that on 3 minutes. So just 3 minutes there, getting it on the go there. Next up, let's add in the salt, pepper, and for me, oregano and chili powder. I mean, you can try something different if you want. Quick little mix. Then we're going to add in the fresh tomatoes. Now, if you were using things like celery or carrots, get them in now as well, because the vegetables that I've got all cooked really quite quickly. I want to cook this now for about 5 or 6 minutes. I really want to cook those tomatoes down. Stir every now and then. So you can see the tomatoes are breaking down really nicely. Next up, we're going to get our veggie in. We can all go in at the same time. So we've got those frozen, they are frozen garden peas, sweet corn, using that from a can, mushrooms, zucchini, kusa or courgette, whatever you call that, and some bell pepper. Stay on this above medium heat. We're going to go for 4 to 5 minutes. Stir often now. So we're now going to be adding in our cream. And like I say, this is a thick cooking cream. Thin or thick is all going to work out the same. And to that I'm going to add, didn't show you this earlier, half a cup of some freshly grated Parmesan. And in we go. It will thin out the cream as you can see, as the heat hits it. Loving that. Okay, pasta time. I'm using rigatoni, about 3 cups worth. In it goes. Again, stay on this above medium heat, fairly lively heat. Let's just throw this around for about 3 minutes or so we can get that sauce in, on and around our pasta. Job done. Super easy, super creamy, super delicious. All right, job done. Didn't take long, did it? Really, really simple. Use any selection of vegetables that you want. Yeah, I think that's good. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like. You'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.